degree of freedom are the directions in which an object can move in 3D. In 2D, there are some restrictions because we are working on a plane. So, let us understand this concept by opening a new file and working on Sketcher. I'll open a new file by clicking on the new icon. Just click OK. We'll click on Sketch to get into the Sketcher interface. Click on OK. We have oriented the plane normal to our view. Let us make a line. I'll click on this line icon. Click here, maybe here. And I want to exit from the command, so press on the escape key. It has exited me from the line command. Now, I'll just hover over this line, left click the mouse button, pressing it, move the mouse. You can see the object is free to move around the workspace with respect to the X and Y axis. Constraining is actually restricting the degrees of freedom of this object. So for restricting the degrees of freedom of this object, we can give various types of constraints. There are basically two types of constraint. First is the geometrical constraint and second is the dimensional constraints. Geometrical constraints are something like concentricity, parallelism, perpendicularity, vertical, horizontal, point on a curve, and any such relation that you are going to give between two entities. Dimensional constraints, on the other hand, are something like radius, diameter, distance between two lines, distance between a point and a line, and so many things where the measurement is a factor. Using these constraints, we have to restrict the degrees of freedom of any object that you are going to create on this 2D. In the next video, we are going to see how to constrain a rectangle, which is the basic for you to understand constraining.